Hey guys, Standell, President, Florida SunCoast chapter. Hope you're well. Back home in Florida, a little humid. Had to wait for the rain to get the video going tonight. But I just want to jump on here and tell you what's coming up on the next week or 10 days. This Saturday, July the 12th, we have the Cars and Coffee at Fields BMW there in Lakeland. Damian's holding the fort down for us there, where we've made it back to Fields, and they are super happy to have us there, and we're actually really proud to be back there as well. Really great reception, and looking forward to growing that relationship and growing that participation. So folks up in that area, come on out and join Damian for Cars and Coffee on Saturday the 12th. On the 13th is Cars and Coffee down in Naples at Germain at the Southern Yard, and that'll be Sunday morning. Come on down and join us there, and always a great turnout there just as well. And then on the 17th, that is the FSC and ZSCCA breakfast. Is that the lunch? I'm sorry, that's the monthly lunch. Yes, I'm sorry. Take a peek at the calendar. That's where John and Irwin get together on that. And then coming up on the 18th, this is the trip we've been talking about. We're going up to Burmos Collection up in Jacksonville, do the tour there, then heading down to St. Augustine for dinner, and then make our way back through some curvy roads. That'll be the weekend starting Friday, July the 18th, the 19th, and the 20th. And Jeff and company are making all that happen. This is going to be a really cool outing. On the 19th, we have the 19th of July, we have the Fort Meyrs Cars and Coffee. For those folks who aren't traveling up in the north side, we'll be down in the south side here at BMW Fort Meyrs. So come on out. That's Mario and Carol taking care of that. We have a bunch of stuff coming up in August, September. Always look, the way Carol puts together our calendar, take a look at it. It has the FSC events, and you have all those choosings all the way down into November. We have things already planned, and we're planning already things into 2026. But you also have the BMW CCA events isolated for you, so you can see those if you're traveling outside the state or doing those kind of things. And then we have non-FSC events, and we put those out on the calendar as well. We think that, hey, this might be something our folks might want to see, so we spend time doing that. We'll be back into our Autocross and back into our track events once we get through the July and August heat. Then we're back into track days and back into Autocross. So take a look at those schedules coming up. Of course, we have other kind of things like the Mountain Drive is listed down there. The Tioga Town Center is down there. We have the annual International Car Show and all that kind of stuff. Just a lot of events coming up. We have just a third and fourth quarter is really packed with things to do, and we're adding more. Believe it or not, we're adding more events. So come on out and join us. Take a look at this, and come on out and join us at one of our events. Until then, we'll tell you, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks.